Hi, my name's Jackie, and I'm here to help you out today with your summer camp packing. Yay! It's almost that season, and I'm getting so excited for camp. So let's go ahead and start with our backpack. Every day, you'll need something to carry all of your things around. First, I have my laptop. We're gonna do some interesting work and research at camp, so I want to make sure that I'm prepared and I have everything I need. The cloud is great because it has all of your files all in one place. Make sure you have that organized before you get to camp. Let's see what else I have prepared. I have a notebook, I have a folder, I have a hat because it could get really hot, and if I'm outside playing some soccer or capture the flag, I want to make sure that I'm protected. Hand sanitizer, always an essential. You want to make sure that you are not getting sick while you're at camp. Bug spray. I don't know where I'm going this summer yet, but if I go somewhere where there are bugs around, I want to make sure that we're living together in peace. Sunscreen. Always important to make sure you take care of your skin while you're at camp. My mom's an esthetician, so she always lets me know that sunscreen is the most important thing. Reusable water bottle. Always want to have this around. Don't leave your room without this. Let's see what else I have. We have some note cards. This will help me with some notes, especially if I'm doing speeches in front of other people and preparing for presentations. What else do we have here? A jacket. So although it's the summer and it might be hot outside, it may be cold indoors. So you want to make sure that you're properly covered and you feel cozy inside. Sunglasses. Here's a headband, in case your hair gets yucky when you're running outside, and a hairbrush. Now lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and unpack this pencil case. You wanna make sure you have everything you need for the day, including writing utensils. I have a red pen, I have a blue pen, I have a special pen. What else do I have in here? I have some Kleenex. I have a drum drive. Although most things you can do through the drive, through sharing documents online, this always comes in handy just in case. Make sure you have all of these items prepared in your day pack because you don't want to leave your room without this. You might not be able to get back until the late evening hours or right before you get to bed. If you pack all of this, you're sure to be successful during your day at camp.